All right, y'all, what's up? You already know who it is, your boy JP, and today we got a 2007 Ford Mustang. Going to show you how to take this radio out. We're going to be installing a Kenwood 503 BT. First thing we want to do is take our panel removal tool, come over here and take off that little trim. Boom. Next thing we want to do is come back here and take these two Phillips out. So that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, next thing you want to do, take your e-brake, pull it up in the most upmost position, and then we're gonna take the whole dash. This piece is gonna come all the way up. It's gonna actually come over the you're gonna have to kind of go around because this kind of has that little angle on it, but that's why that has that rubber boot on there right there like that. And we're gonna take it out. Yep, so there it is. Slide that whole top part off. Boom. Next thing you want to do, bring your hand right here. Boom. Take that side off. Then, oh, dang, I just do that man stuff. I'm sorry. All right, come right here. Boom. Take that side off. And now we have these 7 mils. 1, 2, 3 on each side. Once we take those 3 out, this thing will pop off. You're going to want to disconnect those harnesses back there. All right, so what I did is I popped this out of the dash, that way I can plug it back in because it has the passenger airbag light right there. So we don't want to shoot any code, so I was able to reach behind and take this harness out. This one actually has some slack on it. Probably the first Mustang that has ever happened. Now we got 1, 2, and 3, 4, 7 mils to take out, and we'll have that radio. All right, so after taking out those 4 7 mils, we were left with that harness, and looks like somebody tried to T-tap off of an ignition. This right here is probably for the steering wheel controls, but this is for our factory sub because we do have the shaker system. You will need a 40 CR10 for the antenna adapter, 5521 harness for the aftermarket harness. So let's get this thing wired up and get everything put back in. So I want to take this time out to let you guys know all the parts that I use for all these installations will be in the description. I will have model numbers and links to where you can get the best price on all your parts so you can do all this stuff yourself. Alright guys, so that's about it. That's what it looks like when it's all free and clear. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Till next time, this your boy JP signing out.